These are the Plubedo AI Translator Earbuds, built with real-time AI translation to help break language barriers quickly and naturally. They support up to 180 languages, making them ideal for international travel, business meetings, and everyday conversations across different cultures. What makes these earbuds unique is their 3-in-1 functionality. They work as translator earbuds, wireless music earbuds, and a hands-free calling device, all in one compact design. The built-in touchscreen LCD display makes it easy to switch modes, control settings, and view translations directly without pulling out your phone. They also support 8 offline translation modes, which is extremely useful when you're traveling in areas with poor or no internet connection. Even without Wi-Fi, you can still communicate smoothly and confidently. Battery life is designed for long days. Whether you're attending meetings, exploring new cities, or listening to music, these earbuds are built to last through extended use without constant recharging. Plus, they're fully compatible with both iOS and Android devices. With HD sound quality and a sleek jet black design, these earbuds combine smart technology with everyday convenience, making them a powerful tool for global communication. If you travel often or work across languages, these AI Translator earbuds from Plubedo are worth checking out. You'll find the product link in the description below. Take a look and see how they can make communication easier wherever you go.